Hi, welcome back to Data Edge Entity Resolution. I'm Simon Garrett, and this video will show you how to install the Senzing API. The first thing you need to do is open a shell. Now, this could be a bash shell or it could be a Z shell. It has to be one of those two. And then you need to start the startup script named Senzing Startup. And you'll notice two things. First of all, as a warning, which is that if you're running any Docker containers, you probably don't want to continue to do so. Running the script will kill them all, so that's up to you entirely if you run the script. And the second thing is that when you run the script, you'll be asked to find a location for the files that are going to be downloaded. They're going to be pulled from GitHub, and then they're going to be downloaded somewhere. This is you want to enter the location of where it's going to go. Now, as you can see, there was a bug when I recorded this video, but that will be fixed now. The docker kill command wasn't working properly. But we're off, and what you can see here is that it's pulling Docker version stable down, and from that we're then going to be doing pulling some stuff using yum. Oh, and I should say, if you miss anything I'm saying in this talk, just look it up in the notes. Everything's written down there. As you can see, we've very quickly pulled down everything we need. That's because I've already pulled everything down once before, several times before actually. And then we're starting everything up. You can see it's starting up Zookeeper, Xterm, Postgres, SSH, Kafka, and all the other things you can see started here. Once they're all started, well, it just starts, does a massive number of things all simultaneously. To start with, some of the things like Postgres won't be up, so there'll be some errors. That's totally normal and to be expected. But as you can see, as this goes through, it's doing a heck of a lot of work, and it's putting it all together, sort of organizing the whole thing so that eventually everything will be connected and the app will be up. Just watch this for the next 20 or 30 seconds and you'll see all the stuff it goes through. And then eventually we'll get to a point in a minute where it will have started up, and I'll show you when that is. Okay, here we go. That Senzing Streamloader line, that green line there, has now started. You can see the governess checking Postgres SQL, etc., etc. That's the point at which the API has fully come up and you can connect to it externally. As you can also see, there's the license and a few other bits and bobs going on which are not particularly important at this point. But that's about it now for this video, and I hope you found it useful.